Are we recording? We are recording. Hi there, I'm Mike Dixon. Welcome to the channel. Today's car vlog via New Jersey Turnpike between exit 2 and exit 1. How you all doing? It's Friday! Woo-hoo-hoo! Yes! It's Friday. And I was trying to play music in the background, but that ain't working, so I gotta figure around that one. So, yeah, I'm doing the car vlog while I'm driving. So, today's story, nothing, because, to be honest with you, I've been preoccupied with something. I've acquired a Macbook Pro 2010 that had startup issues. Now, I remember one time I turned it on long ago. It's been sitting with me. I've had it for 3 years. It was given to me by a family member, and I just didn't want to do it, but I've been wanting to get a new computer, and I didn't want to really spend a lot of money. So I said, all right, let me see what this MacBook Pro is all about. I wanted to understand what Mac OS is all about before I make the deep dive into maybe a proper, Mac computer. So the flashing question mark with a folder symbol was happening. So, of course, we all turned to YouTube, and to find out, it could have been this, could be a corrupt hard drive, corrupt hard drive, bad software, or a hardware issue in the boot up drive in the hard drive, the boot up software. So I just went all in. It sounded to me that I had a hardware issue, and the hardware issue is the cable running between the motherboard and in the cable to the this hard drive, the HDD. And sure enough, I got one for $15. Boom, I'm in. It's working. I was doing a happy dance. So now I've updated it to iSierra, which is the last OS update. Yes, is it terribly slow? Yes. Do I have other plans? My plan is to get a SSD for it, go from 256 to 512 or 500, double it basically, and take the motherboard off and get into where the thermal paste is for the CPU, and put in a fresh coat of thermal paste. Clean the dickens out of it, because you can see the dust, you just can't get to all of it. So by taking the motherboard off, I have better access to it. But yeah, that's what I've been doing. I wanted to make something, and I said, well, just let us talk about what I've been playing with lately. MacBook Pro 2010 mid-year edition. 8 gigs of RAM, has a NVIDIA GeForce graphics card in it. Don't know the exact model number right now, but I'm coming up on my total. Ooh, it was a nice short one. Everybody have a great holiday, and enjoy the weekend, enjoy your tech, and I'll catch you later. I'm out. Click.